I have issued a check, but there is no balance in my account. And when the bank presented the check got returned due to insufficient balance. And do you know the customer gets charged heavy charges for the check return charges? The check will get returned. In order to handle such tricky situations, there are modern retail banks, private leading banks, they have come up with a very interesting feature of a fixed deposit. And what is that feature? That feature is called Sweep In. Now, let's say I had to pay my daughter's school fees this Friday, right? And I have already issued a check of, let's say, 1 lakh rupees to my daughter's school. Now, many a times it happens, guys, right? We are all human beings, and in our busy day-to-day life, we may not be able to control or always monitor the balance in our account. So what happened is that I have already issued a check to the daughter's school of 1 lakh. Unfortunately, today, let's say when the school is presenting the check in the bank, now they will present the check in the bank, correct? In my bank, so that the payment is done to them. The balance in the account is only 50,000. If there is no funds in the bank account, the check which I have issued will get bounced. Handle such tricky situations. There are modern retail banks, private leading banks, they have come up with a very interesting feature of a fixed deposit. And what is that feature? That feature is called Sweep In. The moment the check is presented in my bank account and the system detected that there is a shortfall in the balance, correct? The system will immediately check if there is a FD which is linked with this bank account for Sweep In. So what will happen? If I have an FD and I have opted for a Sweep In facility, automatically whatever is the shortfall in my bank account. So in my bank account, the shortfall is of 50,000 as per this example. That 50,000 will immediately get broken from my linked Sweep In FD, and it will automatically come in and credit in my CASA account. So then my balance will my balance will get restored to 1 lakh as per this example, and the check which I had issued of 1 lakh will pass through, honored. This is a very interesting feature. By the way, this is not mandatory. It's an optional feature for the customers. So the customer has to opt for it while filling the account opening form, number one. Number two, even after filling the account opening form, later also nowadays the banks have options of opting for this feature through internet banking also. Correct? So you need to inform the customer, my dear friends. Now only that much amount, that's the interesting part. If the FD is of 2 lakh, the entire 2 lakh will not break. That's the best part. Fixed deposit is of 2 lakhs. So out of that 2 lakhs, only 50,000 will come in because that's the shortfall. The remaining 1.5 lakhs will continue in the same FD for the same tenure, the same interest rate. This is how the Sweep In feature works. Very much useful, especially for the current account customers. Because in a current account customers cases, business customers, they have a lot of payments moving out of their current account for their business dealings. And you current account customers, we know very well that they will definitely prefer a FD because in current account, banks do not pay any interest. Correct? So to a current account customer, to especially, you can talk about this Sweep In FD so that it can protect the customer for any such, all of a sudden or payments which are scheduled to go out of the account, and the Sweep In FDs can have enable it and take care of it.